Hey everybody, it's Tanya with Scrappychics.com, and today I'm bringing you a quick paper share from Echo Park. It's called Celebrate Winter, and I'm going to be working on my winter crafts shortly, but I wanted to go ahead and share this paper before I cut it up and start using it. Just in case you're interested, I did find this at my local Tuesday morning, so it was only $5.99 for the whole set. So I was super excited to find this, and it might be at your local Tuesday morning too. They might have some of these. But again, it's by Echo Park. It's called Celebrate Winter. So I'm just going to do a flip through real quick and show you what the pages look like. So this is a cut apart here. And then the back side is real pretty swirls, teal swirls, snowflakes on navy blue. Then you have your plaid, two of those. Snowflakes. Snowman, really adorable, which I love. Love, love, love snowman. Pretty snowflakes with the blue, white, and the red. More cut aparts. These are 4x4 size. They give you 2 sheets of those. And then, of course, you always get the coordinating sticker sheet. With all the Echo Park kits, they give you the cut apart sentiment cards, and they also give you the sticker sheet. So I'm going to go back through and show you the flip side of all the paper, too. That way you can see that as well. So I've showed you this side. Let's flip it over and look at the backs. All right, these are like holly leaves in light blue color with red. Christmas trees. Stripes. Ooh, really pretty swirls with snowflakes, and real pretty blue and a blue base paper with white snowflakes. So again, this is the Echo Park Celebrate Winter collection. This is going to be a lot of fun to work with. I can't wait to start getting started with this, and I just wanted to show you that really fast. And of course, on the back of the cover there's another cut apart, so you get actually two sets of cut aparts for that one. All right, thank you for checking this out. I hope you enjoy all of your winter crafting. Thanks, and have a great day. Bye bye.